Hello everyone. Today we're looking at a RAM upgrade specifically designed for the HP 15 DY 5XXX series notebook. This is a 16GB DDR4 SATA module running at a speedy 3200MHz. If you're finding your HP 15 DY 5XXX is starting to feel a little sluggish, especially when multitasking or running more demanding applications, then upgrading the RAM is one of the most cost-effective ways to breathe new life into your machine. This particular module from Parts Quick is a single 16GB stick, so you want to make sure your laptop has an available memory slot. The good news is that it's a standard 260-pin SATA, making it a direct replacement or addition to your existing RAM. It operates at 1.2 V, which is the standard voltage for DDR4 SATA, so compatibility shouldn't be an issue. The 3200 MHz speed is a significant boost over slower memory modules that might have come standard with your HP 15 DY 5XXX. This translates to faster loading times, smoother multitasking, and an overall more responsive system. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who uses their laptop for everyday tasks, the extra RAM and faster speed can make a noticeable difference. One of the best things about this memory module is that it's system-specific, meaning it's been tested and guaranteed to work with the HP 15 DY 5XXX series. This takes the guesswork out of choosing the right RAM and ensures a hassle-free installation. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty and toll-free technical support from Parts Quick, which is a nice added bonus for peace of mind. It's also RoHS and halogen-free. This is a great option for anyone looking to upgrade their HP 15 DY 5XXX series notebook. The 16GB capacity and 3200 MHz speed provide a noticeable performance boost, and the system-specific design and lifetime warranty make it a reliable and worry-free choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.